Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to the classes of short stories. Today, let me teach you a new story, Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Hemingway. Yeah, as the title itself is speaking about the old man and a bridge. Okay, this is the second story in your content. Here you can see a temporary bridge constructed on water and also on wood, which is connecting two places for some emergency purpose. This kind of emergency, emergency bridges are called as pontoon bridges. What it is called as pontoon bridges. Let me tell you what is the importance of this bridge in coming up slides. Here let me introduce you to our writer Ernest Hemingway. He was a great novelist and also short story writer. You can witness his uniform. He was a soldier also. See children, he maximum times he wrote his stories depending on the situations of the wars what he has witnessed. Okay, so here again we are meeting one real fact what he had come across, and narrator is our writer only, Ernest Hemingway. So let us see the situation during Spanish War which is mentioned here. Now, he worked in different countries around the world during World War I in Italy, Japanese invasion in China, World War II in England, Spanish Civil War in Spain. Now, we are witnessing one situation from the Spanish Civil War. Now, some details about the story, The Old Man at the Bridge, Ernest Hemingway, the writer, and the situation is Spanish Civil War, North American Association who participated in this war, and one special word is here, that is phrase animal symbolism, means we will see some special love towards animals. That is the main theme of the story. The Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Hemingway. Characters of the story are very important in each short stories you learn. Okay, now the old man is the main character of the play. Soldier, that is who speaks with the old man, that is narrator. We will come across two goats, a cat and four pairs of pigeons and other people. Understood? And this other people are war victims. Like this old man only. Old man is one among these war victims, but he is the main character. Now, setting where it is happening in battlefield, that is Ebro Delta. Battlefield, that is Ebro Delta. Fine. Now one place is selected as battlefield. They were never going for battlefields, means open fields. They were selecting some places where some field is there and surrounding villages and small cities were emptied, means forcefully they were asked to vacate because people, innocent people may die of the war. Same situation here also. Theme, war and its horrors. We will come across the situation of war and its horror. Duty towards others. Yeah, our duty towards others. Though it is war, we have our duty towards the innocent public also. Yes, war is happening, but what is the mistake of public? They should also be cared. So we will see the situation, what is happening with that public. Kindness. Yeah, it is war also. We should have some kindness. War, it speaks politics, but kindness speaks humanity. Decision versus choice. People in this world are of two kinds, children. Some people decide to do something. Some people, they choose. Quite very different, right? Decision versus choice. Decision comes with determination. Choice comes with happiness or mental satisfaction or mental fatigue. Okay? Sometimes we will choose something out of desperation. Sometimes we will decide out of force. Fine. It depends, children, how the situation is. Many times we think that we are determined. No, we have to bend for the situation. Many times we think that that person must do this only. but we never understand the mental situation or mental status of a human being. We will see many different critical criterias hidden in the story where it speaks the mental status of human being. Symbolism. A story always gives us symbolism towards something. Here, the symbolism is animal symbolism. Children, you all love pet animals, right? And more than human beings, pet animals show a great attachment. And more than animals, sometimes the master of that animals or pets becomes very close to that and starts loving as their own children, right? Here also, this old man had some pigeons, cat, and also goats. His intention was his animals will may be killed in the war, and how his animals will escape from the difficulties. Let me explain you in the story what actually his intention and what actually his thoughts, what actually he want. Okay, different I have divided into three. That old man is very particular about his animals. Key points of the story. Description of the old man and the somber setting. Somber means gloomy or sad or a confused situation where we can't tell that it is a happy situation or completely flat or gloomy situation. Description of his animals and their unpredictable future. Just now I explained, right? The narrator's conversation with the old man from San Carlos. Yeah. This narrator is conversing with the old man, and this old man is from San Carlos. Remember this place name. Their respective troubles. Both narrator and old man have their own respective troubles. Narrator tells his troubles and old man stands with his troubles. One fighting the fascists, the other worrying about the animals. Yeah. A soldier is fighting for fascists. Fascists, the army, okay, who are participating in the Spanish Civil War. The helpless situation in which two hapless men are trapped. See, two helpless here. Helpless means who don't have any other way than the situation is. We will see what their situations are. Now, we come across some of the details in the story. One is Easter Sunday. Children, Easter Sunday is actually a festival of Christians where they celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. But here, it is ionic contrast, means opposite contrast. The day of the celebration of the resurrection will be the day another innocent victim is crucified. See, resurrection means Jesus Christ was crucified on his cross. Okay, he was punished or he was treated very badly and he was nailed on the cross. Here also we will see innocent people being crucified because of some situation. So this Sunday means the day which is happening, the situation which is happening is compared to the Easter Sunday. The four repetitions of the old man's words, I was taking care of animals. Eloquent symbolic expression of all those voiceless innocent men, women and children who are the victims of wars they neither support nor understand. Children, innocent people are killed or punished because of these big wars. Neither they know the reason nor they understand the happenings. But still, they become the voiceless sufferers. The title, Old Man at the Bridge. That final bridge between life and death. Yeah, this pontoon bridge is one connection between life and death where we will see one old man sitting neither dying nor going towards survival. That spot itself becomes one confused kind of journey for him where he is confused that he should finish his life or he should continue his life. Character. Yeah, the main character of the story is the central character is 76 years old man, a war refuge who has been uprooted and displaced by the war. We will see one old man who is 76 years old. Okay, disoriented, confused, and disconnected. He is disoriented from his place. He is confused in his own life and also about his own life and disconnected. He is disconnected with the pet animals with whom he want to live. Understood about these three words? He will die at the bridge. Another nameless innocent victim of the war. Nowhere his death is mentioned, but he will decide to end his life, or he decides to stay. At the end of the story, will understand the meaning of these sentences. Then, those scouts telling of the story, he gradually articulates who the old man is and what he represents. The scout at the beginning in the impersonal narrator who sees the old man and decides to engage him in conversation by asking the old man questions about himself. The scout gradually understands the situation of the old man. Here scout is nothing but the soldier, that is the narrator. He discusses about this old man's personal life. He understands the tiredness of his age. That is what mentioned in this. And now let me take you to the plot of the story, that is introduction of the story. Old Man at the Bridge is a short story written by Ernest Hemingway, published in 1938. Is about a conversation between a young soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. The story conveys the common problem of helpless victims, especially old people, during hard times such as war. Yeah, the story speaks about many problems here, especially old people who are tired of life and also different situations. Here, narrator tries to convince and also to show some sympathy, but he was bound to his duty. And this old man was completely stuck to his age and tiredness of his age. So much is awaited in the story in the next class. Okay, thank you.